Hello Ali, I'm now going to show you how to calibrate the lasers. Okay, I'm now open up the software, you see. Okay, we go fire, system parameter, okay, workspace. In here you need to change the parameter into 50. The y-axis should be 50. The width should be 100. The height should be 100. After finished, click OK. Okay. Then we make a square with dimension 100 plus 100. Apply, and then they put in the central. Okay, you see this is square we make. Then we try to mark on a black paper. Okay. Okay. First of all, before you mark, you need to find a focus of the laser. First of all, okay, I will show you if I show you if this is the focus of the laser. Okay, remember. Before you make the calibration, you need to find the focus of the laser. Okay? At first. Then I make a line. Choose it and mark. You see, this red beam is in the center of this cross line. If you find this red point is not in the cross of in the center of this cross line, you need to adjust in here. Parameter, special position. In here you can change the position of the red point in X and Y column, you see, until you find this red point is in the center of the cross line. Okay, I'm now going to show you how to calibrate lasers. Okay, first of all, you need to change the field position into 100. Okay, confirm. Okay, then choose this square and then mark it on the black paper. Okay, so if you, first of all, if you find this square is not straight, I mean the x-axis and y-axis is not straight, you need to calibrate. In here, in these three columns, the parameter in here, until you find the square you make is exactly straight line, and then we need to measure the size of this square to make sure it is 100. Okay, if you find the x is not 100, you see this one is not exactly the 100, it's about 103 millimeters, you see. Here, you see, it's also not exactly the 100, it's 0.2 millimeters. So you need to calibrate in here position, in here. You see, you need to put. 你把那个打开，他不知道怎么，你把那个谁打的和那个一样的词放里面去。不用，直接改。Okay, you change the parameters in here. Okay, we mark again. You see now the line we marked is exactly with the same with the 100. Okay, so this is how you calibrate the dimension of the line. In here, because you have to, first of all, when you change the size, you need to choose here as gamma 2 equals to axis, and then if you find the actual marking size is more than 100, then you can make this value smaller until you see the actual marking size, dimension is exactly the same with 100. And here in this position is to calibrate the y-axis. I'll show you. Now we'll measure the dimension of y-axis. 你要歪了，你那也是干嘛？
我先一个调整。
你两歪。放到这边就行。You see, the actual size when we measured now is 101 millimeters. Now we need to change here. We need to make this value as small, become smaller. Okay, then we mark again until the actual marking line is exactly the same with the 100 millimeters we want. Okay, now you see this is 100 millimeter exactly. Okay, so we finished to marking the size of x and y axis right now. Okay, so we try to calibrate the red beams to make it exactly the same with the square we marked. First we'll make a square and black papers. Then we'll click light to preview. And you check whether the red beam is exactly the same with the square we marked. Okay, if you find this red beam is not exactly the same with the square we marked, then we will make a calibration in here. Parameter, other, red light pointer. Okay, so by changing the value of offset position axis and offset position y, you can change the position of a red beam to make sure it's exactly the same with the actual square we marked. Okay, here. You see, it's the same now. Okay, so this is basically how to calibrate it. So I will send this video to you if you have any further questions, and you let me know.